everybody, welcome back to Coop de Grill. Today we're going to make holiday M&M cookies. Alright, so we're going to start out with the ingredients. Make sure you've got everything in your house before you get started. If you're like us, you live a long ways away from town. So what we need for the holiday M&M cookies is butter, sugar, brown sugar, salt, baking soda, vanilla, 1 egg, and flour. All right, of course, also mini M&Ms. Let's get started. Okay, we're going to start by preheating our oven to 350 degrees, and we are going to start with our wet ingredients in a nice big bowl. Start by creaming our room temperature butter and making sure it's nice and fluffy. Next, we are going to add 2/3 of a cup of white sugar or granulated sugar, 2/3. Then we're going to go ahead and do some packed brown sugar, also 2/3 of a cup. I don't know about you, but brown sugar is my absolute favorite. I think it's delicious. All right, brown sugar. Mix these together. All right, and once you've done that, add our 1 egg. All righty, and we're going to measure out our vanilla. So it calls for 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla. There's our half. Here's our whole. And now we're going to mix this together. Oh yeah, now that is some gorgeous cookie dough. All right, so now we move on to the dry ingredients. We need 2 cups of flour. Like Mr. DeGrill says about seasonings, I have the same theory about when you bake. If there's not at least a little bit of flour on the counter, you probably did it wrong. And 2. Then we need a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon, and we need 1.25 teaspoons of baking soda. 1.25. All right, of baking soda. Now we're going to mix this up. I like to use a whisk. Just whisk to combine. We're going to go back to our wet ingredients. We're going to go ahead and start slowly adding in the dry ingredients and mixing those in. So you don't want to do this super fast. We're just going to add maybe that much at a time. Get it combined. Do the same thing. There we go. So then I like to scrape the sides just to make sure I don't have any rogue flour anywhere for when we scoop these out to start baking them. Next, what we're going to do is mix in our mini M&Ms. This recipe calls for 1 full bag of these mini M&Ms, and that's what we're going to do. Do it like this. Oh, this looks gorgeous. This is going to make super fun holiday M&M cookies. Once you've mixed up your holiday M&M batter, cover it and put it in the fridge for at least 1 hour. You can put it in your refrigerator overnight, but you may need to let it sit longer in the morning when you want to bake them. We'll see you when they're out of the fridge. Our batter is out of the fridge. It stayed for 1 hour. I'm going to use a medium cookie scoop. You can also use the 2-spoon method, but I'm not going to do that. So we're going to uncover it and start scooping. This recipe says it makes 36 cookies. So let's see how they turn out. So for our baking sheet, I used parchment paper, but you can grease the sheet if you don't have parchment paper. Just make sure that you've got something between your cookies and your baking sheet. These are going to go in for chewy cookies for 8 to 10 minutes. If you want crunchy cookies, go to 14 minutes. We'll see you in 10 minutes. So we have our cookies out of the oven. We are going to move them over to a cooling rack and give them a taste test. Everything looks really good, and we're going to give these a taste test. Look at how cute they are. All right. So I'm looking for a spot that doesn't have red. Okay. Oh yeah. Crunchy on the outside corners, but still gooey in the middle. Oh yeah. These are going to be really good this holiday season. Thank you for coming with us today to make M&M holiday cookies here at Coop de Grill. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Drop a comment. It helps grow our channel. If you want to see more of these things with us, they're right over here.